Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running Homepage Application Dashboard on Linux. To get started, launch a terminal, then we'll download and execute the NodeJS installation script. Once the script completes, we'll use apt install to install Node.js. We can verify Node.js is installed successfully by running node-v and npm-v. Next, we'll use apt install to install the Git command line utilities. We'll change directory to the current user's home folder. Then we'll use the git clone command to clone the homepage GitHub repository. We'll change directory to the location of the source code we just cloned. Then use git checkout to make sure we're working with the latest tagged release. Now we'll use npm install to install all the package dependencies. We'll copy the template config directory. Then we'll use npm run build to build the application. Once the build process completes, we'll use npm start to start the web service. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host :3000. Welcome to Homepage Application Dashboard running on Linux.